Hello there, and welcome to your U-Drive demonstration video, courtesy of Cherry Picker. Before we start, please take note of the machine specifications. With 2 persons, or 200 kg in the basket, this machine has a touching height of 18 meters, and it also has a touching outreach of 9 meters. With 1 person, or 80 kgs in the basket, it has a touching outreach of 12 meters. In this short video, you will learn the simple steps that it takes to operate your U-Drive safely and effectively. We are going to start by taking a look at some of the most common user errors.
These include not checking that the OK light is on before switching over to basket controls, not lifting up the lever to the basket controls when at ground level before entering the basket, not ensuring that the emergency stop button is not engaged before using the basket controls, and finally not ensuring that the boom is in the center of the cradle after transportation of the vehicle.
Starting up the vehicle is very simple. Simply get into the cab, take your seat, ensure that the handbrake is on, that the gears are in neutral, and then you can start your engine. Once the engine is started, you can press the green PTO button to the left of your body and hold it until the green light comes on the screen to the right hand side. We are now ready to lower the stabilizers onto the ground. Simply press on the control panel and then select the button which allows the outriggers to be controlled. Don't forget to place the pads beneath the stabilizers on the ground. You can now start by lowering each of the stabilizers individually, starting with the front left, the front right, the rear left, and then the rear right. Once they have touched the ground, you can stop. We then advise that you lower them in pairs, using the front together and the rear stabilizers together. You can continue doing this in an alternating fashion until the vehicle is at the height that you require it to be. Once the vehicle is level, make sure that you see the OK light turning on. You will not be able to control the basket until this is on. And also don't forget to double check that the vehicle is balanced securely by looking at the spirit level. We are now ready to turn on the basket controls by pressing the button on the control panel.
Using the basket controls is very simple. You have the up and down controls for the boom, you have your telescopic controls, you have your slew left and right controls, and then you have your basket rotate controls, and then finally you just need to lift the shoulder up on this control here to tilt the basket forward and back. Now if you want to use the ground controls, simply make sure that the left lever is pulled all the way down, and then you can control the boom using this lever. You can control the telly using this lever. And finally you can control the slew using this lever here.